In all my years, I've never had the opportunity to bring to the market a property quite like this. We're in Long Clawson. This is Mill Farm. Tucked away down the end of a quiet country lane is this truly one-of-a-kind country home. I'm Tom Deville. We've got so much to show you today, so let's take a look around. You enter into this impressive octagonal entrance hallway, providing an immediate indication as to the calibre of this house. It's flooded with natural light due to numerous windows and has this impressive feature well with glass floor. The house is effectively split into two halves. To one side, you've got something very impressive, which we'll come back to later, but we're going to start in the main residence. To this side, we have a really expansive lobby area, which effectively gives access to all main living areas within the house. The first of which is a bespoke farmhouse-style kitchen, completed by Shortland crafts. The kitchen showcases a range of high-quality integrated appliances, granite worktops, and it leads seamlessly into a stunning garden room, which has been built to maximise the wonderful far-reaching views. The garden room connects into this fantastic sitting room. There's so much to talk about in here, and it's here that you can really see the craftsmanship and the attention to detail that has gone into the construction of this home. You've got beautiful joinery, you've got a stunning ingot fireplace, there's a lovely bay window with window seat, which again is going to be a perfect place to enjoy those country views. This is going to be the most perfect place for entertaining guests or simply relaxing by the fire. So when you are entertaining guests, you're going to need a formal dining room, and what a dining room this is. Lovely proportions. This table accommodates 14, but could easily accommodate more. And you've got some lovely features in here as well. Feature fireplace, another one of those lovely bay windows with feature window seat. There are French doors leading onto the garden, and whether it be Christmas or those evening dinner parties, what better place to accommodate your nearest and dearest. This part of the house is actually split over 3 levels. So to the lower ground floor, you've got a great utility room, you've got a boiler room, and you've got some excellent wine storage. To the first floor, we have 2 really good sized bedrooms to either side of the property, both of which have their own en-suites. And the principal bedroom also benefits from a walk-in wardrobe and is positioned at the end of the property with this superb Juliet balcony. Again, a lovely place to enjoy those views. And returning to the other side of the property, we're now into this unique and one-of-a-kind windmill. It features accommodation split over 5 levels. It's Grade 2 listed, this part of the house. It integrates so well with the main accommodation, currently providing an office, a sitting room, a bedroom, a bathroom, but with having its own entrance, it could also provide an annex facility or would make the most perfect Airbnb. As you'd expect, this part of the house is jam-packed with original features. I particularly love the amount of exposed brick in here, but the cherry on the top has to be the most stunning views that get better every floor you rise, and without a doubt, the views from the windmill are some of the best in the county. So heading outside Mill Farm, you're wowed by every aspect of this house. It looks different from every way that you look at it. The gardens are the showstopper here. They wrap around the whole house. They're beautifully maintained, beautifully thought out. You've got large level lawns, lots of planting, lots of seasonal colour, and these beautiful grounds have really matured over time with the planting of wildflowers, specimen trees, and these gardens are going to be absolutely perfect for any keen gardener. Within the gardens, we also have a brick-built garden store, perfect for tractors and mowers. At this stage, I also need to remind you this house was built in 2010. It's incredibly efficient. It's got a ground source heat pump. It's got the benefit of solar panels. This house offers 4,500 square foot of accommodation. It's going to be extremely efficient to run. It offers all the aspects of a prime country home with all the added benefits and modern technology of a newer property. The property itself sits within gardens and grounds extending to 1.25 acres. Additionally, it comes with 10 acres of paddock land with approximately a further 40 acres which are available by separate negotiation. So with all that land, of course, you need a range of outbuildings, stabling and storage, and that's exactly what you've got here. To one side, we've got a first-class range of stabling, tack room and feed store. To the other side, we have an exceptionally large barn providing storage and workshop, which was also specifically designed to accommodate extra stabling if required. To complete the outbuildings, we have a twin garage with practical office space above, which has the benefit of kitchen and bathroom facilities. This would be a great space for anyone that has a need to work from home. The yard has independent accesses, so it's ideal for stable hands, groundskeepers, and the outbuildings connect seamlessly to the paddock land beyond, which makes this ideal for anyone with equestrian interests. Long Clawson is a truly quintessential English village located on the edge of the 𝗱𝗿𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. The village has a great range of amenities, including a medical centre, village shop, cafe and village pub. For any lover of the outdoors, this home offers a range of country walks on the doorstep. So that completes the tour of Mill Farm, a stunning and bespoke country home. We've got a unique windmill, we've got a superb range of barns and outbuildings, paddock land, and the most beautiful countryside views. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity. If you would like further information, please contact us on the details that follow.